Hello friends, welcome to Tech Tip Guide. Today I will show you how to create a transparent shape in Canva. So let's start. Over here I am in Canva workspace. To get transparent shapes, go to Elements and search for Outline and your shape name. For now I'll type star. Over here go to See All and you can find multiple transparent shapes of star. I will select this one. Over here you can see transparent star shape. Also we can get different shapes. For now I'll type pentagon. And over here you can select any one. I'll select this one. Also if the border is not visible you can change color and make it as your choice. Now I'll select black. Over here you can see here are shapes which are transparent and is created on Canva. In this way we can create transparent shape in Canva. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.